Hey guys, welcome to SweetieSembly, where I show you how to assemble your baby gear. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to assemble the Baby Trend 5-in-1 high chair. This is part 3 of this video series where I'll show you the booster mode with the tray. If you want to see more videos like this one, make sure to subscribe and hit that bell button. Enough talking, let's get to building! Here are the items that you will need. First is the booster seat. Second is the tray. Third are the legs times 2. Fourth are the upper assemblies times 2. Fifth is the footrest. And sixth is the height adjuster. Then we install the tray. When you push on this release handle, the handles at the bottom move. Push on the handle and slide the tray onto the armrest like so. Make sure that when you're sliding the tray into place that the warning sign is not visible. You can slide it into position 2 or 1. Then we remove the seat from the frame by pushing on the side buttons and pulling up. Put the booster seat on a secured chair, not a bar stool like I'm doing. This is just for show. Then take the footrest off by pressing on the side buttons and pulling out. Next, we have to release the straps. Put the seat on its side so you can access the bottom. Here, you will notice 3 compartments. You slide the compartment door over to find the straps. Take the straps out and place the seat back on the chair. Then we take the straps on the sides and strap them over the back of the chair and tighten all the way. Do the same with the bottom straps. Buckle them on and tighten as hard as you can. Make sure the chair is tightly secured and you're done. Links in the description box below. There you have it, folks. That is how you assemble the Baby Trend high chair. Make sure to watch the video in the end card where I'll show you how to operate the high chair. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe, hit like, and leave a comment down below. Okay, that's enough of me. Thank you so much for watching. God bless, and seeing you in the next video.